Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Khalid here with a song called Winter. So we will start with setting our capo here on the first fret. We have 4 different chords to go over. So let's start with the chords first. We have the F major 7. That is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. Next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be C7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, 3rd on G, 1st on B, and open E. And the next chord is the long F major 7 sus, but with an A in the bass. All right, sounds like that. Beautiful. So it's open A, 3rd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have this chord progression that we just went through, the F major 7, C, C7, and F major 7 sus with an A in the bass. All right, so for the first 4 rounds of this chord progression, that means the first verse, we'll just play 1 down per chord, okay? It will go in this rhythm. So that's the rhythm. So 4 rounds of that, and after these 4 rounds and the first verse comes a strumming pattern, and that will work through the entire song here. So with this strumming pattern, you will play 1 strumming pattern per chord, and we're gonna illustrate that one with an F major 7 since that is the first chord. I'm gonna play that through for you one time, so listen and look. That is 1 round. So that is down, clap, up, down, down, clap. That's it. So down, clap, up, down, down, clap. You shift, C, clap, up, down, down, clap, C7, clap, up, down, down, clap, and F major 7 with A bass. Okay, so that is how it goes. So down, clap, up, down, down, clap, down, clap, up, down, down, clap. All right, so that is pretty much it when it comes to this song from Khalid, Winter. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.